XPEV stock tomorrow, in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Is this thing really a buy or sell? Let's clear the dilemma in this 1.5 minute video. Again, I've done three and a half for the last 3.5 years, like 15,500 plus videos. Again, only last year of the 2023, this thing has given me thousands of wins, and everything is documented on my YouTube channel. Literally, I have like everything documented, so it cannot be questioned whether this thing is a buy or a sell, right? I'm purely speaking from experience because I've also spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. Okay, so with XBank sitting at 849, this is how my technical analysis looks like. It's in a bearish trend because if you just zoom out, you're gonna be completely aware of how this thing actually looks like. I mean, you tell me this is bullish or bearish. That's why the whole direction that I had here is that I was expecting the lows to get cleared. You can see, boom. Um, I made this kind of little prediction that I was in, and now because my rules are not met, I'm just staying chilling, looking at the thicker symbols. That's simply it. I have nothing to sell you. If you want to learn my strategy for free, check out the links down below. And that's simply it, right? So